What's going on, everyone? I'm Brian, this is Ryan, and today we're going to show you how to do your very first DTF transfer press. So if this is your first time pressing DTF and you're nervous you're going to ruin a shirt, don't worry. The best thing about DTF transfers, Ryan, is that literally anyone can do it.
And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prep your shirt, how to position your transfer, the correct way to press, when to peel, and how to finish it for that professional look that everyone's always after.
So, Brian, first things first is you want to prep your shirt. Now, this isn't totally required, but if you want the best looking transfer you can get, you're going to want to press your shirt before even putting a transfer on it. That's going to get the wrinkles out, and it's also going to remove moisture. So, yeah, when you press your transfer, you're not going to get moisture marks, so the wrinkles are going to come through. It's just going to be the best press you can get.
All right, so now that you've got your shirt prepared, you're going to want to position your transfer. So whether you're doing a full front, full back, left chest, wherever you're putting it, you're going to want to make sure that it's placed and aligned exactly how you want it. A great way to do that is either using a ruler or one of our alignment kits you can get on indietransfers.com. Line it up right with the collar, make sure that it's flat, there's no seams, wrinkles, or creases underneath where you're pressing that transfer, and then of course just smooth that transfer out gently, make sure it's flush to the shirt before you go in with that heat press.
So now that you have your transfer placed onto the shirt, you're going to want to press it. So we always recommend pressing at about 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 seconds. As soon as you press it, or as soon as it comes up, you're gonna wait about 5 seconds and then just peel it. It doesn't have to be completely cool to peel, but you know, we don't want you hurting yourself. So just give it about 5 seconds and just a smooth, quick peel. So another great thing about DTF transfer dry is if you think that you messed it up, if you're not getting complete adhesion to the garment after your first press, you can always just repress it at the same time and temp. You can never actually scorch the DTF transfer design. And if you are using like a silicone refining cover or a piece of parchment paper, you're not going to scorch the garment either. So you can press as many times as you feel comfortable with to just ensure that you're getting full adhesion to the garment.
All right, and then the final step of pressing your DTF transfer is that second press. Now that's the step a lot of beginners, a lot of other companies don't really mention, but we always recommend, not required, but definitely recommend that second press. Same time, temp, and pressure that you did for the first press, but that just ensures that the transfer softens up a little bit, the adhesive is fully locked into the garment, really makes that transfer feel a little bit more part of a shirt than just a transfer sitting on top of the fabric. On top of that, it's going to improve the durability as well because that adhesive is fully bonded with that fabric. So it's going to last the 100+ washes that we advertise. If you're using our transfers, you're going to get that kind of durability with that second press for sure.
And that leads us right into our common beginner mistakes. You mentioned skipping the final press and how some beginners don't do it, or some companies don't advertise or recommend doing it. Basically, I would require it. If I was trying to get the best looking garment I possibly could, you're going to want to do that second press for all the reasons that you mentioned. You're just going to get a better product at the end of the day. Don't skip out.
Don't skip out on that. Don't skip that free press. Make sure you're using enough pressure. Make sure your temperature is dialed into the right spot, into that kind of 300 to 325 range. Obviously bump that up if you're using that thicker silicone cover that we offer. That's what we use in-house. It's great. So closer to 340, 350 if you're doing cotton or something like that. Another thing as well is just make sure you're lining it up correctly. Nothing is worse. I know when I was first pressing, when I press something and it's just a crooked t-shirt, I don't feel great about myself after that. I don't feel great about what I put onto the shirt. So using an alignment set, we always say measure twice, press once, knock it out. So that's definitely what you want to keep in mind. If you feel yourself making any of these mistakes, drop that down in the comments and we'll of course go into it in more detail. But also if you have any other things that you're struggling with, let us know. We'll always be happy to help, see if we can get you some information here on the channel. And that's it. Your first DTF press is done, and it was pretty easy once you had all the steps out in front of you. If you follow these steps, your transfers, it should come out smooth, vibrant, and fully adhered to the garment, super durable over time. And Brian, if they're just getting started, if they have any questions, please jump down to the comments, follow us here on YouTube, Instagram, we're all over the place, and make sure to fire over your questions. We'll be happy to get those answered for you here at Ninja.